Hi guys, it's time for our weekly update. As you can see, everything in the garden is growing nicely. It's been some good weather for growing. Let's go see how the seeds are doing. It looks like we've got some shoots coming through. But it looks like the rosemary's had it. Look at the sunflowers. Look how much they've grown in a week. Come back next week for another update. Don't forget to like, subscribe and click that little bell. Hope to see you again soon. Bye!